Ready to sell? Let's make it irresistible. Want to sell your Lake Anna home for top dollar? Don't just list it, launch it with the M Group. We're not your average agents, we're the secret sauce your home needs to shine. It all starts with full service support, because selling your home should be stress-free. From managing day-to-day operations and overseeing e-signatures to working with out-of-the-area sellers and ensuring contract-to-close success, we've got every detail covered. Plus, our designated negotiation experts are here to ensure you don't leave a single dollar on the table. Your home deserves the spotlight, and we deliver the jaw-dropping marketing. Professional photos so sharp they should be in a gallery, cinematic video tours buyers can't stop watching, and drone footage that makes your property look like it's straight out of a movie. And what's most important to sellers? Getting top dollar, selling quickly, and staying in the loop every step of the way. That's where we excel. We handle every aspect of your sale with expert precision so you can focus on what's next. If your home's over $750,000, our designated luxury agent is on the case, with exclusive strategies designed to attract the most serious buyers. You won't get that with just anyone. And what you won't get with us: blurry cell phone photos, cookie-cutter marketing, or an agent who ghosts you. And while other agents with dozens of listings might make you feel like just another number, we give your home the undivided attention it deserves. We don't just list your home, we prioritize it. At the M Group, we make selling your Lake Anna home easy, fun, and most importantly, successful. Want the best? You know where to find us. Let's get that sold sign up today. The M Group.